Hi everyone, and welcome to a brand new video tutorial with me, Anna Marie. Did you see our last video tutorial? Do you know how to create this particular flower arrangement, which I call a surprising flower? Now, if you haven't seen that video, I will put the link to that tutorial in the description box below, because this topper now is going to be beautifully placed on our actual card. So let me show you what I will be using first. I will have this beautiful peach color from a Blissful Cards collection, and this is the script. I will also have the Crackle Blissful Card collection in the same color. Now, with regards to our dies, I am actually using a brand new dies here, and oh, I love this one, absolutely love it. And this is our Dottie background die. Now, it has got all these beautiful dots all the way within the square. We also have a delicate stitched effect, obviously, around a die. And I will also add another brand new die to the mix, and this is the nested Dottie frames. Okay, they are nested, so you're getting 5 beautifully sized frames, and I'm using, I think, the second largest for this particular demo. Now, I am also going to add our Dottie squares. You can see how beautifully matched they are with the rest of my arrangement here, or color or card choice. And of course, I will have a message. This message is a birthday wishes message. I might actually add a few other bits and pieces from a Dottie Falls, and these are the ones here, but I haven't decided yet. Okay, we'll see how it goes. And of course, I have a lovely message from a typewriter messages. Okay, so let's begin. And now onto my topper. Now, as you can see, I have a piece of acetate all the way around, and obviously I can remove and trim my acetate if I wanted to. However, the acetate, together with that Dottie background, is giving us a really lovely reflection. So I am choosing to actually keep it as it is, and basically I think that will just add that extra effect on my creation. And now I will be using a beautiful nested Dottie frame. So I'm placing it on my base card first, and to see obviously whether I want to go to the right, to the left, or just here in the center. And I will actually keep it here. And now I'm going to bring my Dottie squares into my arrangement, and I'm just going to place them, the two of them, like so, and gently go over my arrangement. Now, I don't have to worry about sticking them down just yet, because I will add my messages and some of them will actually secure what I need to secure the frames with. And now I'm going to use my typewriter messages, which are absolutely perfect for this kind of card. They are small, and I am able to place them just ever so gently where I want them. So at this point, you can see which areas of your Dottie frames you need to attach and secure if needs be. So simply by placing a couple of glue dots in one or two areas will be enough. And finally, I'm using the Aviva Decor Pearl and Pen, and I'm just going to randomly place some pearl dots on my frames. And my card is created. Well, I hope you liked it. And if you did, please like, share, subscribe. Please check out our last video tutorial where, again, you can see how I created this lovely surprising arrangement and what product I actually used to do so. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye-bye.